Hello, so I ordered a phone case off Amazon. It's a really heavy phone case. It's probably going to make my hand sore. But such is it. Let's check this out. Oh my, look at that. Splashproof. Protects the phone in the rain or shower. From rain or shower. I don't think they mean using it in the bathtub. Dustproof. Protects against dust and dirt. Snowproof. Applicable under snow and ice conditions. Shockproof. It's even got a QR code of authenticity. Check this out. I wanted free shipping, so I ordered an extra screwdriver for $1.25. Like a screwdriver now too. Let's check this out. Hopefully y'all can see it well enough. I don't have a tripod right now, because you know who, and all that issue. But I'll probably get another one soon enough. They have them at the thrift store often enough. I don't like breaking the boxes. There we go. Oh my. It's definitely metal. Interesting. Comes with a manual. About Love Mei. As a global leading brand and professional manufacturer for smartphone case and based on the spirit of science and technology, achieves brand innovation serves life. Okay. Interesting English translation there. We have an Allen key. And an Allen screwdriver. What else do we have in here? Now that is a phone case strap if I ever seen one. You know your phone case is kind of overkill when you have a strap like that. What else is it? That is everything. Alright, let's check out the instruction book first here. Step 1. Find the enclosed tool and remove the retaining screws. Yes, this phone case has 8 screws. 8 screws! A phone case with 8 screws. Yes. So it's not easy to get to the fingerprint sensor anymore. You can't get to the fingerprint sensor anymore. That's just one of the downsides of having a heavy aluminum case like this. But I'd rather have the ridiculous over-the-top case than the fingerprint sensor, to be honest. Step 2. Remove the front cover and prepare your equipment. How do we do that? That's the headphone jack door. The headphone jack door is made out of metal. There we go. Okay, getting inside for closer. What do we have here? Wet wipes contain professional screen wipe towelette to clean screen in order to make perfect, quick, clean effect, which suit for all sorts of LCD screen, photographic lenses, focus lenses. It doesn't say what's in it. We've got 3 extra screws. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to check here. This thing came with a screen protector on it, but I didn't Is the screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy S10e removable? Oh, I'm not on the internet right now. I dropped it already once, so there's a slight scratch in the screen protector that came with it. It makes it hard to decide whether I should take it off or not, because it's very well installed. Alright, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to do it. I wish I had gloves for this. I should have bought gloves with the extra $1.25 and not. Since the screen protector is already on it, I might not need to clean it. If I can get it off or not. There we go. Okay, it is already in perfect condition, so just take it right from that. How are we gonna... I don't think that's how you're supposed to hook it up. Actually, we're gonna go like this. There we go. Okay. Put it into its little sleeve here. What is this made of? Metal. Don't want to drip any dandruff on it, skin cells or anything. Aha. Use the microfiber cloth it came with to touch it and push it into the case. Okay, it's already in the case pretty much all the way, I think. Kitty, what are you doing? Make sure that's on top. It was not. Okay. Flip it over. Like that. Move this out of the way. That's starting to look really nice. Oops, I forgot this. So, this goes back in just like that. Perfect. Don't tighten down the screw all the way first. It's one of the first rules of screws. No. Now that is a phone case. Wow. It's heavy. I'm going to be using my phone like that pretty much from now on. It's very heavy. And you can put in your headphone jack still right there, like that. Microfiber white to the camera section. Alright. So that is a phone case that you do not want to drop on your foot. Or throw at something, because it will break that something, whatever you throw it at. Wait a second. Oh, I need increased touch sensitivity. How do you increase touch sensitivity? That is working perfectly now. You go to Settings, Display, Touch Sensitivity. Increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. Now it's working perfectly. Anyways, that was the video of my unboxing and installation of my new I'm guessing it's Love Mei. I really like it. Oh, I need to put this on it. The massive arm thing for people that are, because it's kind of ridiculously heavy already. I'm gonna need this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I do all kinds of sorts of videos. Not just phone related videos. All kinds of things. Vlogging. Random weird news events. You know how it is. Everything that I see. There we go. See you later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like and that and all that stuff. See you soon.